Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, depending on where you are watching me from. Please, if you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and God bless you. Without wasting much of our time, I want to show you guys something that I just saw. So this platform is Defi-ai. The platform just came out recently and people have started investing already. Though no platform is trusted anymore, no platform is trusted. No platform is 100% legit right now. So many things have happened previously. So before I continue, I'm not anybody's financial advisor. I'm not your personal advisor. So anything I say here, please do your own diligence. Please do research, make research online. This platform came out new and people have been registering. I just saw it online and I decided to register too. But what I invested is just only $10. I'm not investing more than that. I'm not investing more than $10, please. So that even if anything happens, I will not feel any pain. So please, if you want to register, we'll be dropping link on the description for you to register. But I'm not telling anybody to register, so that if anything happens, please, I'm begging. If anything happens, we don't know the real ones and the fake ones again. Please, I'm begging everyone, please don't register if you don't do research about it. The platform is new, so that is it for now. For the people that have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. And this is the money I deposited right now. This is the money I deposited. My network is bad. Okay, this is the money I deposited. And like I told you before, I'm not going more than this. I'm not going more than this. Yes. So if you want to trade, it's simple and easy. Once you sign up, you can start trading. You can invite your friends and the rest. So that is it. They have a robot as well. You can use robot to trade. You can use robot. It will be trading for you automatically. So right now, I'm not depositing more than 10. Please, if you want to register, I put link on the description, but I'm begging you in the name of God, don't register, don't deposit much. If you want to deposit, let it just be small, so that if anything happens, we are all taking risk. Please, I don't want anybody to go on the comment section and start typing that I shared something that did not work or something that later got problem. What I want is good testimony that before anything happened, that I've gotten like 3 to 4 tons, something like that. I need to be hearing good testimonies. So please, this is the platform. This is the platform. So that is it. We are just praying that one day we will discover a very good working platform that we help us to achieve something. That is it. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye bye.